So are you ready to play a game today? Yes. So we are going to play Bring Me one more time. But this time, last time we did it with sounds. This time we will do it with shapes. Okay. So I will ask you to bring me something. You have to quickly go and bring me whatever I ask you to. Okay. So bring me something which is in the shape of sphere. What is a sphere? Sphere is like a ball. So bring me anything which looks like a ball. Okay, COVID got a ball. Go fast, fast, fast. Get me something that looks like a sphere. Sphere. Yes, Navanya, very good. Your lollipop is also a sphere. Very good.
Hello.
Asleep, what have you got? Okay, what do you have, Ayansh?
What do you have, Anj?
Abha, Ayansh, what do you have? Anything that is sphere?
No, circle में है round round है ना किसी ये वाली
Okay, Abha, that is not a sphere. Plate is flat. That is a circle. I need something which is sphere. पूरा हर तरफ से round. जैसे like a tomato. Tomato is a sphere. A ball is a sphere. Or orange is a sphere. Orange, you can bring one orange. Asri, do you have anything which is sphere? Ball, okay. Okay. Above you have got an apple. What is that apple?
थर्ड में है थर्ड
Okay. So let's move on. Okay.
दूसरी मैम क्या कह रही है
Ready for next? Next is bring me something that looks like a cube. Cube.
बॉक्स होता है ना
Think about it. Cube. It is dice. आपके गेम का dice होता है cube. Or it can be any box. Or it can be an ice cube. That's not a cube. That's a cuboid. Look for some box in the kitchen which is cube. Go. Get something which is a cube.
Navanya, you are making cube?
Yes.
Yes, your blocks can be cube. You can have a.
You are making a cube.
That's not a cube again, COVID. Its height is less than the width. It is cuboid.
Ma'am को बोलो, ma'am, I'm making a cube. Let
Okay.
us see.
Navanya is making a cube using blocks, using puzzle pieces. Very good. Covid, you can bring your blocks.
मैम को शो करो ब्लॉग
Show me,
Medicine
Asrit,
box.
what do you have? Ayansh, आपके पास क्या है? Cube. Do you have anything which is cube? Okay, you have a dice. That's a dice or a box? What is this? Box. Okay. Covid got this cube block. So this is Covid's cube. Okay. What do you have, Abhav?
दिखाओ मैम को बना
अभव के पास क्या है?
दिखाओ मैम को बॉक्स
Okay, that's a box. Yes, very good. And Navanya, is your cube ready?
Say, wait a minute, ma'am.
Sure.
Now see. Ma'am, it's ready. Say, ma'am, it's ready. दिखाओ मैम को.
Yeah, show me where it is.
दिखाओ मैम को.
Your video is not coming. Okay, yes, now I can see. Very nice. Good, good, good. That's a big cube. So that's the biggest cube we have in the class today. So next, ready for the next one?
Yes.
Bring me something which is a cone. Which is, I can give you some ideas. You can get a funnel. You can get a tea strainer if it is in the cone shape. You can get any toy which is like a cone. Ice cream. Yes. Go and get something. You can get your birthday hat, birthday cap. That is also a cone. Okay, Navanya got a birthday cap. Great. Okay, Covid got this trainer which has a cone shape. Navanya got a birthday cap. Covid got a strainer which is cone shaped. And what do you have? Asreet, Ayansh.
शो करो ना.
Abhav, your video is not coming. We cannot see you.
बेटे दिखाओ ना इधर. ऐसे शो करते हैं बेटा. हैं? ऐसे कौन शो होगी ना.
Okay, Abhav also got a strainer. That's a strainer, right? Or is it a funnel?
Strainer.
Strainer, which is cone shaped. Very good. And what do you have, Ayansh?
ये देखो ना बेटा. ऐसे ये वाली वो ऊपर देखो उसमें डॉक्टर ने देखा.
Asreet, what did you get?
ऐसे कर दे तो वो हो जाएगा.
What did you get?
Ayansh, आपके पास है कौन शेप का कुछ? No? Nothing? Asreet, Ayansh.
कौन सी शेप है ये? अब
Cone. Yes. So we have Navanya got a birthday hat. Covid and Abhav got a strainer, which is in cone shape. Okay. So let's move on. Bring me something which is a cuboid. Now this is very easy. There are lots of cuboids around you. Okay, Navanya, that is a triangular.
No.
Almost every box in your house is a cuboid. So Covid got his geometry box. This is a cuboid. And Navanya also has a small box, which is a cuboid. Very good. Almost every box in your house is a cuboid. This is also a cuboid. So any rectangle वाला कोई भी shape, कोई भी object होगा, that is a cuboid. So what do you have? Ayansh has a box. Abhav, what do you have? Lunch box. Okay, that's very good. That is also cuboid. Asreet, what do you have? Asreet? Okay, Asreet has a remote. Is that a remote? Yes, remote is also a cuboid. TV remote, AC remote is also a cuboid. Okay, so let's move on. Covid, come, next shape. Get me something which is a cylinder. Get me something which is a cylinder. Come on, think. You can bring You can bring a mug. You can bring anything which is
राउंड
round.
वाला वो कलर बॉक्स होता है ना, जिसमें राउंड कलर्स
Yes,
होते हैं.
crayon box, right? Okay, COVID got his bat. The handle of the bat is a cylinder. Yes, the handle of the bat is cylinder. And we have this mug also, coffee mug is also a cylinder, right? It is also cylinder shape. Then the speaker I oh yes, sanitizer
थ्रो
bottle
करते
is
हैं
also
ये थ्रो करते हैं.
sanitizer bottle is also a cylinder. And Navanya has a glass which is cylinder, very good. And Abhav has a bottle. What do you have, Abhav? Is that a bottle? Okay,
कॉफी मत दिखाओ
कलर बॉक्स
color box. Okay, yes, that's a cylinder. So many cylindrical things in our house. Ayansh also has a box which is round, which is
ओपन नहीं करना. पहले पिक्चर से ध्यान देना फिर बाद में
okay.
देखना.
So next, ready for next? Next is, so we are gonna repeat three shapes. Last three shapes we are going to do
लास्ट
one time. So bring me something which is a sphere. Go and get me another. एक और चीज लेके आओ sphere. No, thing will not work. जो पहले लाए थे वो नहीं लाना.
हाँ
और
बहुत से ले नहीं यहाँ पर भी
go.
लेके आ
Bring some sphere.
लेकिन वो भी नहीं होती है.
Okay, Akri has a smaller ball. Earlier ball was a bigger ball. Now it was a smaller ball. That's not a sphere. That's a cylinder.
मुझे वाली डालो
So you can bring orange. You can bring tomato. Okay, Abhav got a ball, tennis ball. Very good. Navanya, what do you have? Navanya
पिक्चर मैच भी
also
देखने
have a ball.
ऐसी शो हो रही है ना. देखो ये वाली
Yes.
पिक्चर और हमारी बॉल.
ये तो
Very good.
सिंबल है आप लोग लाए
चलो इधर बात खेलना बाद में.
Okay, COVID has got a cabbage. Cabbage is also sphere, but it is okay. So next, get me something which is a cuboid. Go and get me another thing which is a cuboid.
एक और लेके आनी है क्यों भाई.
Cuboid is
ऐसे
very
रेक्टेंगल वाली चीज लेके आनी है.
Above is tired. Okay, COVID got this detergent box, detergent container. Yes, it is a
आप
cuboid.
बोलो.
मैम
Yes, Navanya. You have made a
ट्रायंगल कब आएगा मैम
triangle. I have not included because it's hard to find things which is in the shape of triangle. आपने तो बना लिया है पर और बच्चों को ढूंढना मुश्किल हो जाएगा ट्रायंगल शेप की चीजें.
फिर और बच्चों को जाएंगे
Yours is a prism. What do you have? You have a triangular prism. Navanya? Triangular prism. I have got a box of sweets. What is that? Triangle box. Yes. Triangle box is a cuboid. Very good. Next is another one cylinder. Another one cylinder.
ये वाली शेप में होती है.
Okay. Navanya has a mug. What is that, Navanya? A mug?
ओपन नहीं करना बेटा इसको.
Okay. Abhav has a container. Cylindrical container. Ayansh, do you have anything? Cylinder?
एक मिनट बेटा एक मिनट मैं रख दूँ.
Oh no, 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 COVID, please keep it back. COVID, please keep it back. Oh, so COVID is actually pulling a gas cylinder. No, this is dangerous. Please keep it back. Okay, so that is all about Bring Me game. Did you like it? मजा आया? Bring Me game में? Yes. So now we are going to do finger counting. Keep everything back. Keep everything back in place. Whatever you have got. Okay, glass. Yes, glass is the cylinder. Please keep everything back in place, and then we will practice finger counting today. So how many fingers do we have? Ayansh, how many fingers do we have? कितने फिंगर होती हैं हमारी? How many fingers do we have? हम राइम भी बोलते हैं ना? No. 10 little fingers, 10 little toes, है ना? So we have 10 fingers. How many fingers? 10 fingers. So we will learn how to count on fingers. Okay. So we have how many fingers are there? 10 fingers. So I will show you pictures and you have to make your hand like that. How many are these? What is this? Can you do it like this? This is 0. This is 0. No fingers are up. कोई भी finger ऊपर नहीं है. This is 0. 0.
अब आपको बताना है हमको जोड़ी शेप बनाएंगे.
0. Okay. 0. How many are these? First raise your one finger, index finger. सब बच्चे अपनी index finger ऊपर करो and tell me how many fingers are up. 1. This is 1. एक ही हाथ यूज करना है, ठीक है? One hand should be down and only one finger up is 1. 1. Next, open one more finger. One more finger open karo. What is this? This is 2. 1, 2. 1. So this is 2. Now open one more finger. Open one more finger. Hold your little finger with your thumb. छोटी वाली finger को little finger को अपने thumb से पकड़ के रखो and open 3 fingers. This is 3. What is this? 3. What is this? 3. और if you are struggling, अगर आप ऐसे नहीं कर सकते हो, तो आप ऐसे भी 3 कर सकते हो. Yes, you can do it this way also. This is also 3. 3. ऐसे करके बताओ. Show me. 3. Yes. Now curl your thumb in and open all 4 fingers. Thumb inside and 4 fingers up. This is 4. This is 4. And this is, now open your thumb also. What is this? 5. So one hand has 5 fingers. Now we will count after 5. Keep one hand open and the second hand index finger up. How many are these? 5 and 1, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. These are 6. Now keep one hand open and open one more finger of your second hand. So how many are these? Can you count? Can you count your fingers? Can you count your fingers? How many are these? 7. These are 7. 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7. Next, open one more finger of your second hand. One hand open and 3 fingers up on the second hand. How many are these? Count it. 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. This is 8. Now open 4 fingers on the other hand and 5 on one hand. How many are these? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 fingers. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 fingers. And now open both the hands. How many are these? 10. Now clap your hands with all 10 fingers. Clap 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you have to practice this every day.